it's your girl ARIE B, and in today's video we're going to be working with Asteria hair, one of my top 5 favorite companies. As you can see, your girl has the skunk stripe going on, and I am in love with this hair. Asteria surprises me every freaking time with their wigs. This hair, okay, first of all, this hair is soft as hell. Mad, this hair has volume, like it moves. It's mad volume. It's sleeky. It's giving me blowout, like it's really giving me blowout. That's why I didn't want to at first I was gonna curl his hair because I'm like, oh, with the skunk stripe, you know, I could just do the little curl thing. But I'm like, nah, when I was straightening the hair, it was giving me like Dominican blowout, and I love it this straight. And I just added layers in the front, so you know it just won't lay so flat. But y'all, this hair is everything. The only problem I could say I had with this hair was that I feel like the wig cap was a little bit too small, but I made it work. And y'all, the hair is really giving. Like, I'm feeling myself. If I sound off right now, I don't know what's going on. I think I'm sick, but whatever. But yeah, y'all, I'm really feeling this hair. Like, I love this hair. I can't wait to put on my lashes and do my eyebrows and make some TikToks, because this hair is giving, like, it's giving me confidence. Like, it's giving, hello, excuse me. This hair is really giving me everything right now. I believe I was sent a 20-inch. Yeah, this has to be like 20 inches. Yeah, yo, like, honestly, y'all, today was not a good day for me. I don't know, I've been annoyed all day. So, I don't know, you could probably see in the video a little bit. But as soon as I was done with my wig, at the end, like, my whole mood changed. Like, this wig just made me feel like, this wig just made me feel like everything. But y'all, like I said, this hair is bomb. I would highly recommend, I will always recommend Asteria hair. Like, I love Asteria hair. All the details will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K man. Let's get it, let's go. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.